Sending money from Australia to India can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to choose a reliable and secure money transfer service. There are several options available, including banks, online money transfer providers, and currency exchange services. First, compare the exchange rates and fees offered by different providers to find the best deal. Look for a service that offers competitive exchange rates and low transfer fees. Some popular options include online money transfer providers such as TransferWise, PayPal, and Z Money Transfer. Once you have chosen a provider, you will need to create an account and verify your identity. This typically involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. Make sure to double-check the recipient's details to ensure that the money is sent to the correct account. After entering the recipient's details, you will need to specify the amount you want to send in the currency you want to send it in. You can usually choose to send the money in Australian dollars or Indian rupees. The provider will then convert the money at the current exchange rate and deduct any transfer fees. You can usually track the status of your transfer online or through the provider's mobile app. To avoid any delays or issues, make sure to provide accurate and complete information, and ensure that the recipient's bank account is able to receive international transfers. It's also a good idea to check the provider's customer support and reviews before making a transfer. In addition, be aware of any regulatory requirements, such as the Australian Transaction Reports and Analysis Centre and the Reserve Bank of India's regulations on international money transfers. By following these steps and choosing a reliable provider, you can send money from Australia to India quickly and securely.